In this video, I am going to show you how to fix Minecraft internal exception, Java Ioexception, and existing connection was forcibly. Then search view network connections and just right click your Ethernet. Once you right click, just click properties and just click network protocol 4. So once you have that, just use the DNS address 8888 and the alternate DNS server is 8844. Once you have that, just click OK. The second method is just to go to CMD or command prompt. So just search and just click or search CMD. Then you just have to write or type ipconfig then slash DNS. So once you click that, just click that. Then just type netish winsock receipt. And once you have that, just click it and that's it.